Hey coders, Tanuj is here. In this video, you can create a brand new Kotlin project from the welcome screen. Click on the create new project. Then in this window, project dialog, click on the Kotlin down toward the bottom. I have already clicked. So next, select the Kotlin JVM. You will see on the top. There is many options for the Kotlin like Kotlin with JS, Kotlin with native, Kotlin with multi-platform libraries and many more. But you will select Kotlin with JVM and then click next. So next select Kotlin JVM. You will also see the options like project name, project location, project SDK. I have using a project SDK 11. So type your project name. I'm gonna start with Hello World. Notice that the project SDK is already set to 11 and I am using a library called Kotlin Java runtime. I will check and click the finish button. If you see the tip of the day dialog, you can uncheck the option to show the tip on the startup and then close the dialog. Then down to the lower right, you might see a notification that Kotlin is being configured and there are indexing process that has been happened before. You can start creating your code. When that process is done, the project window will open on the left side. If you don't see the project window, this project window if you don't see, then simply hover this and you will see many options are there, but you only select project. Then you will see your project window and that's it. Next, I will open the project and I will see there is a source directory, this one. I will right click on that and select the new and then Kotlin file and classes. A Kotlin application starts with a simple file, not with the classes, and the name of the file is typically all lower cases. I will just name main. And then press enter. Next, I will click into the empty window and type main and then press enter. That creates a new function named main that receives an array of a string. So there is not an array of a string receiving. So we will put it into A. That's it. Now, this is the startup function and I will talking about this a little bit more later on. To make this function do something, I will type println. Then I will press into the pair of parentheses a literally string. I will type a hello world. That's it. To run it, I will go to the menu and choose run. And then run menu choose. I will choose an option label main.kt. And then after a moment, my application will be built and it will be run. And the application output is result to the run window down here. If you see, I will type a hello world and the result output is showing here, hello World. If you have been following along with me, then you are getting the same result. Then you are ready to program with Kotlin in Intellij IDEA. Thank you. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Like and subscribe our channel, The Code Early. Thank you.